angle wipes. Nagulat naman. I still took my so natatapin like mga bye guys! Good morning. I dread this day. I dread that this is the day that I finally started vlogging. I mean, I have videos from before, like on the start of school, when I wanted to start vlogging, but I haven't edited them, so I'm going to start again. And I'm still so sleepy. I'll probably sleep again. Then wake up. So, see you guys then. So, you guys probably last saw me on my bed. But, I don't know what's happening with my voice. But, I've shucks. I've worked out. I've posted on Instagram, TikTok, on Twitter. I don't care what you guys say, whatever. Like, I know it's X. I'll keep calling it Twitter. That's the only thing that I'll be dead naming. But yeah, and then getting ready for school. Reminder or note. Hindi ko alam. I don't know if this is probably going to be a weekly or daily vlog, but I'll just post when I can and when I want to. I actually have no idea what I want to do here, but yeah, let's see. Maybe I'll keep this short, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Let me know what you guys want to see. And kung nagtatagalog ako, I'll make sure na subs are written there so you guys can follow mga international fans. Kind of talaga. Anyways, yeah. I'm going to do a get ready with me TikTok video or reel. So, I'll see you guys after. Hi, ayun. Kakatapos ko lang mag get ready with me. Kaya ganito yung angle. I fixed my hair already. I'm about ready to go to school. Sinuot ko lang talaga yung bag ko pero wala pa siyang laman. So, alam nyo, damit-damit pa ako ng ganito, pero isa lang naman subject ko ngayon.
Magnetic tripod. Phone holder. Wallet. Phone purse. And
Most especially of all, lagi yung hindi nakakalimutan. Wet wipes. Outfit reveal. Oh. Alright. I really like this jacket. Or like, basta mukha siyang cropped because I bought it sa women's section ng Uniqlo. Tip lang guys, if you want it cropped, try nyo mag-buy sa women's section. School na. Done. 2 hours ako bimiyahe, tapos 15 minutes na ako nagsagot. Hype na yan. Uwi na ako. Nga lang. Umupo lang ako 15 minutes. Tapos na. Kaya I should probably shave. I look like my dad so much. Ito ako sa exit para makapagsalita ako. Kaya ako bigla. Nakita ako. Talaga. I probably have to be much more confident in speaking in public.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 널 너를 생각하네 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어 원래 이맘쯤 너와의
Ang init. Inang yan. Gusto ko maghubad. Naghubad na nga.
하던 마음과 선물을 준비했겠지 기뻐할 너를 상상하며
Kanina pa ako di makabook. Pa-cancel ng pa-cancel yung mga drivers. Stress na. Hubad na ako. Pakainin. Hindi ako magsalita doon. Lumayo muna ako. Okay, balik ako ulit. Kasi doon ako nag-book. Doon ako nag-pin.
어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면
Una, pagod ako. Maybe I'll continue this later na lang. I'll just do my things and stuff. Grabe kapagod. Sobrang funny. Siguro makita niyo yung transition ng itsura ko from sobrang fresh na umalis, tas ganito uwi. Ganito lang ako every time papasok ng school. Grabe. Anyways, yeah, this is how I look right now. I mean, I still like my outfit. Oh, next. Pero, ayun. Abangon na ako finally. I got myself some food, like Grab. I ordered Jollibee. Anyways, I'm gonna eat and I'm currently doing work. Wait lang, pakita sa inyo. Working on this. So, minodel ko sa Sims yung parang sketch outline and then I'm working on something and then tsaka ako siya parang i-sketch out, like add more elements, like put stuff. Kasi sabi ng prof ko, paguin ko daw yung mga sketches ko. Eat muna and then finish doing that. I don't know if I can show you guys, pero I'll try to, like when I'm sketching. Sana kumain na din kayo, no? Maayos, yun. So, guys are wondering, I'm eating fried chicken right now. I finished spaghetti already. I'm currently watching Smosh videos. I don't know if you know them, but like Anthony Nian from back in the day. But they have new cast right now, and I really like watching their Smosh Games channel. So, yeah. I fear na nalaman nyo na I'm the kind of guy na hindi makakain without watching a YouTube video. So, ayun. Oh, so I'm done eating and kumating yung mga in-order ko sa Lazada. Lazada. Si Lazboy, okay. So, this one, itong in-order ko, siya, isang set ng oil paint, 24-piece na set. Montmark yung brand kasi I think yung pinakamura or like yung pinaka-maayos. And then, the other package. So, these are the things I got. Oil paint, and then 16 by 20 na museum box type na canvas. And then, 4 9 by 12 canvases. Kasi, I need one for school, and then, may mga nagpapa-commission sa akin. So, ayun. Yeah. Update. This is what I'm doing. So, I've sketched it out. And then, ito yung luma kong plate, or like napasa ko na. Sabi kasi ng prof ko, palitan daw, or like, just change the scenery or like perspective. So, I wanted to like create like a different one na mas zoomed into, and then landscape. Pero kasi portrait yung kailangan na orientation. So, I made this instead, wherein mas nakafocus naman siya dun sa girl instead of the guy. So, ayun lang. And need kasi 1-point perspective. So, I used a photo that I took sa Hong Kong. Tapos ginawa ko siyang reference for the buildings. And then, I'll finish the details kapag na-sketch ko na kasi this still needs approval. So, lilipat ko to sa paper and then papa-approve ko. Yun lang. Diba? I've been productive. Yun na yun. And then, after this, I need to work out, shower, and then go out with friends. Yun lang. Sige. Bye. Tapos ko lang maligo. Tapos, wala. Alam niyo yung feeling na after a hot shower, parang, ang perfect na lahat. Parang, yun lang talaga yung need mo sa buhay mo. Kaya yung feeling ko ngayon, ang sarap. Sarap ng hot shower. I'm just preparing to go out. Kaso hindi ko sure kung gising yung tropa ko or ano, kung andun ba siya sa kanila. Bili kasi ako plywood tapos tatanong ako kung pwede pahati sa kanya. Ay, ako. Pero, grabe no, ang init sa Pinas pero nag-hot shower. Yun lang, update lang. Siguro, update ko na lang kayo ulit kapag kabis na ako at nakalis. So, ano talaga sabihin niya? Tapos na ako mag-bihis and sabi ng friend ko, daanan na lang daw niya ako here. So, I just fixed my hair. Kasando lang kasi ang init. And, I'll just show you guys my quick skincare routine when I'm going out or yung hindi siya before matulog. Ganyan. So, syempre nakapag na ako after shower. Like, nakapag cleanser. Yeah, cleanser. That's always a need. So, ayan. Just use any cleanser that works for you. So, sa akin yung ginagamit ko yung may salicylic acid kasi marami akong sebum around my nose area. So, that helps. Plus, dry and oily combination yung face ko. So, right now, I'm just using a toner. I'm using the IS3 hyaluronic acid toner. And then, this thing. This is a, what do you call this? Shocks. Okay, I've found it. This is a Marine All Face Eye Cream. So, galing siya dito sa sachet na to. So, may binibili kasi akong face mask na like isang sheet siya pero it has three steps. So, around 200 plus ata yung isang box nun, JM Solution. So, ayan, it's very good. Like, if you just want good glow up sa face mo. Like, I use it once a week or minsan hindi nga parang kapag aalis na ako, my phone fell. Pero wala namang anything. Like, sa paa ko siya bumagsak. So, safe. Pero ayun, getting back to it, JM Solutions, like, I only use it if, like, kailangan ko lang. And, madalas kasi, hindi ko na ginagamit to or like, parang yung isang ganito niya is too much for my face. So, ang ginagawa ko, iniipon ko siya. So, parang hindi sayang. Ayun. So, I'm just gonna use this. This is very hydrating kasi. So, ito yung ginagamit ko like for everyday use, ganyan. Pero pag iba naman yung pag nighttime ko tas hindi ako aalis in the morning, ganyan. So, ayun lang. Ayun. Ito lang, tip lang guys. Like, a little goes a long way talaga when it comes to skincare. So, kasi if like ang dami mong nilalagay sa face mo tas sobrang sandamakmak din, baka mag-breakout ka lang. Kasi kung ano na yung pinagalagay mo sa mukha mo. Anyways, just find out what works for you the best na yun. And this is what works for me. Like, yung hydrating talaga. And then lastly, last step. Ito, since 16 years old, or hindi, 2017. Yeah, 17 years old ko pa ito ginagamit. Is yung aloe vera soothing gel. I use it for my face. Like, I don't know, like, thanks to this, it has a cooling effect. Tapos, feel ko, siya yung nakaka-heal ng scars ko. I don't know. I use it every day. Like, it just helps set things in. And kapag nagganito ako, things don't feel as oily. Ayun. Siguro, I was talking about this. Siguro next time, I'll do a whole video about my skincare routine, yung pang nighttime talaga. Pero for now, ito lang. Just quick, how many? 3 steps. 3 steps skincare routine. So, ayun lang. Ayan, and like, I just feel so fresh. Diba? Tapos na. Yun na. Yun na yan. Tapos na siya. Oh, my glasses. Ayan. I'm just gonna wait for my friend na. Kasi, siguro papunta na siya. Pero, ayun. See you guys later. Dami na. Alis na ako.
새벽이 찾아와 밤의 명암은 더욱 깊어만 가네 내
Saan ka galing?
그리 크지 않아 단지 조용히
5.5 na lang.
하루를
Para
정리하고
sakto.
싶을 뿐 미지근한 샤워와 내 기타 소리와 너의 따뜻한 불빛에 조용히 잠들고 싶을 이 새벽이 지나면 난 널 다시
Oh, tanga hirap. Dito ako sa bahay ng tropa ko. Hirap ang puto.
짧아도 또 다른 내일을 위해
So, ayun. Nakauwi na ako. Wow. Yung lips ko orange kasi kumain ng inihaw. Kita niyo sa video. Pero, this is what we made. Sting. Ayan. Tapos, framed siya. Diba? Angas. I really need to turn our downstairs into an art studio para makapag-invest na ako sa mga gamit. Tapos, doon na lang ako gumawa ng mga kashitan. Ay, I'll bleep that. Doon na ako gumawa ng mga kailangan kong gawin. Ngayon, naghanap ako ng pebbles kasi yung in-order kong pebbles for school tomorrow, hindi pa dumadating, baka bukas pa. Nagmamakaawa na ako sa mga kaklase ko kung meron sila. Para, gusto ko na kasi matapos kasi naging independent study day yung Tuesday next week. So, ayoko pumasok if ever so I can focus on other things. Ayun lang. Pero ayun. So, I think, though, medyo mahaba na yung vlog. Ang dami ko nang ginawa. So, feel ko end ko muna yung vlog for today. And then, see you guys na lang sa continuation kapag kung ano yung gagawin doon. Kung ano gagawin dito. Ayan. Wow. Fingers. Ayan. Kung ano gagawin dyan. And then, ano pa ba? Siguro yung mga paintings then. I'll try to get my friends to like take a video of me at school. And then, try ko din hindi mahiya. Kasi, shit, nahiya talaga ako. Sabihin ko na lang, guys, mag-earphones ako. Kunwari may kausap ako online. I'm so fucking shy. And also, ayun, like and subscribe. Also, follow me on TikTok, Instagram. On TikTok at Dangerous, DEYNJERUS. On Instagram at DEYN.Jerus, JERUS. So, ayun. And then, what else? Oh, I'll try to post Get Ready With Me's on my Instagram. And then on TikToks, I'll try to post my thoughts and like everything I want to say, like my feelings. And then, I'll try to post a new vlog every Monday.
미지근한 샤워와 내 기타
Hi.
소리와
Hi!
너의
Hi!
따뜻한 불빛에 조용히 잠들고
life update, nahiwa ko yung sarili ko kasi tatanggal ko yung salamin sa salamin. Hayop. Gagamitin ko sana pang school bukas. Stress ako. Paano ako nito magtatrabaho bukas? Pero, nahiwa ko yung sarili ko, so, I was planning to put a mirror kasi lang sa gagawin dapat. So, it's still sleeping. Nakuha pa mag-vlog. Sobrang funny. Kung kailan ko dinecide na i-end na, dun pa ako nakagawa ng katangahan ko. Fucking hell. Okay, bye na talaga. Bye, guys!